Masalah. Mulai dari malas bangun pagi, kesel kejebak macet, karir yang nggak naik-naik, nggak punya cukup uang, sampai sering ribut sama temen, pacar, keluarga, dan juga rekan kerja. Kadang kita nggak sadar kalau kita cuma berhasil melewati masalah tanpa betul-betul menyelesaikannya. Atau kita merasa udah nemu solusinya, tapi ternyata masalah yang sama muncul lagi di kemudian hari. Sekilas, kita udah merasa berkembang, menjadi pribadi yang lebih baik dengan solusi yang kita temuin. Tapi saat masalah yang sama menyerang dengan skala yang lebih besar, kita bisa jatuh lebih keras. Jadi sebenarnya gimana cara bedain solusi yang real dan yang semu? Ini contohnya.
Let's take the example of a man who worries about money all the time. He's insecure about money. And this has been haunting him for years as he's working on his business, let's say. But then, all of a sudden, he's working on his business for a few years and the business starts doing great. He's starting to lead in his marketplace, the economy's doing well, everything's going well, no more money problems, he has more money than he could ever imagine. Did that fix the root issue that he had with money? No, of course not. Not at all. It's just masked it. It's made the fears about money irrelevant. Of course they're irrelevant because he's got lots of money. But as soon as the economy starts going down a little bit, or as soon as some of his clients stop paying him, all those fears are going to come back in full force because they weren't really addressed.
Sebenarnya nggak cuma soal uang. Ini juga berlaku buat masalah-masalah yang ada di awal tadi. Sekilas sukses bisa jadi jawaban. Bahkan kita terbiasa melihat sukses sebagai tujuan. Tapi contoh sukses kayak kasus tadi cuma menyentuh bagian terluar dari masalahmu.
And our society right now is very focused on success and achievement. It's focused on finding an external fix for whatever problem we have. Either a technological fix or a money fix. And they actually, in a very clever way, take the attention off the real issue. The real issue is inside of you. Fake growth is stuff on the outside. Real growth is stuff changing on the inside. How do you really know that you've experienced real growth in some area of your life? Here's how. You don't overcompensate for the issue. You stop obsessing about the issue. It completely leaves your mind, and it almost seems like, oh my God, I can't believe like this has ever been an issue for me. There's an emotional release that happens, see? There's a change in perspective. That's what real growth looks like relative to fake growth.
Nah, sekarang, waktu nyelesain masalah, kamu udah merasa lega dan punya perspektif baru belum? Atau secara nggak sadar, kamu masih dihantui kekhawatiran dan ketakutan lamamu? Jangan lupa like dan subscribe untuk terus update informasi seputar startup, teknologi, dan profesional di channel YouTube Tech in Asia ID.